This is cool boy. I bought that zombies marathon. I couldn't do it because some got messed up, and I'm gonna do it like a day after my birthday on a Sunday. That's like this Sunday because my birthday party's gonna be Saturday or something. I don't know, like Saturday, and I'm gonna. And my parents said anything I don't get on my birthday list, like for example a camcorder or that game capture thingy, like where you can capture games like you see on other videos that you guys like me. And like they said, if I didn't get it, they would buy it for me. So I was gonna talk. Oh yeah, I have a baby. I'm having a baby. I'm weird. I'm gonna make a music video later. I just gotta think of the lyrics about my baby. And in one or 2 days, or today, when my baby comes out, I'm gonna make a video of it, show you the real thing. And I have a mustache. For all the mustache people out there, my mustache can be yours. And a mustache fly boom, 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 boom. Oh yeah. Well, that's it. So see you later, guys.